Hello, welcome to Teachers Teaching with Technology. I'm your host, Tanya Crow, and today we're going to take a look at web-based instruction using both Khan Academy and Quick Topic. Khan Academy has great features, one of those being personalized learning. It's tailored to each student's current learning level, and it's a great balance between conceptual, procedural, and application content. Khan Academy also has very trusted content. It was created by experts with over 75,000 interactive practice problems and covers math K-12 through early college, grammar, science, history, many of the AP course offerings, and an official study guide for SAT. Lastly, Khan Academy also has actionable insights. Teachers can easily use real-time student data to provide feedback, and if a student gets stuck, they'll be supported with things such as related videos, articles, hints for solution strategies, and rationales that explain why a particular answer is correct or incorrect. I'm going to walk you through creating a class through Khan Academy. If you click on the link that I have provided, it will take you directly to khanacademy.org. Sign into your account or create a free account. All you need is an email address, create your own username, and a password. Now I'm in my teacher doc. I have 3 classes, first period Algebra 2, 7th period Algebra 2, and just a general Algebra 2 class. So I could select one of these, or I could add a new class by clicking on the blue link to the right, Add New Class. And we're going to name the class or import a class from our Google Classroom. I'm going to name my class Second Period, Algebra 2. And now I have the option to select what type of class this is. And I'm going to select that this is an Algebra 2 class. And now to import your students, you can invite them through Google Classroom. You can give the students a link to join, or you can just add your students in and give them a unique username and password. I'm going to add a few students here just so you can see what it looks like. The computer will assign them a username and give you a password for each one of your students. And now just in the classroom, they can log in on their Chromebooks and enter the username and password they gave you. The next option will be to download the list of username and passwords in case your students forget. I'm going to skip that step since this is not a real class of mine. Now I have my student roster, and I can make assignments based on particular students or as the class as a whole. So I'm going to select Assignments to the left, and it will show you all of the units that Khan Academy has for Algebra 2. Right now in my class, we're doing polynomial graphs. So I'm going to look at the unit on polynomial graphs, and it will show me every lesson that I could choose from. So as a teacher, I could pick the whole polynomial graphs unit and assign that to my students. I can see that that has 21 different lessons, activities, videos for my students, or I can make that a little bit more individualized. Like right now, we're talking about end behavior of polynomials. There's an intro video, an article, and exercises. And so before I assign it to my students, I could take a look at each one of these to make sure that's exactly what I would want my students to have. I'm going to pick the end behavior of polynomials and assign that. I can pick to assign it to one of my classes, or I can assign it to all of my classes to make it easier on me as a teacher. And now I want to select a due date. I'm going to go ahead and have that due March 17th at midnight. And now whenever my students log in to their Khan Academy account, they will see that they have 3 assignments and the due date. I advise you to go through and look at all the great content that they have, because there are interactive lessons for so many different things. which is great for remediation whenever you have a substitute to just add to the learning. Especially right now in this hybrid teaching world, if a student is at home and they're missing the class instruction, then you can have a video that's already made. I personally teach math, and so Khan Academy has a lot of great features that are specific to math teachers. One of those is that Khan Academy has map recommended practice that allows teachers to enter their students' map growth scores to generate a customized playlist of math skills. Students can also enter their own scores. Khan Academy has remediation and on-grade support for the Eureka Math Engage New York math curriculum. This is the most popular math curriculum used in the United States according to a recent study. And lastly, if you click on the link provided, it downloads a PDF guide that maps Khan Academy content to Big Ideas Math Algebra 1. It gives you a preview of videos and exercises to save you time in identifying relevant resources. Other than Khan Academy, another great resource that I use in my hybrid teaching is QuickTopic. QuickTopic is instant collaboration for me and my students. It's better than plain old email because you can easily get lost in the shuffle whenever you have a lot of email messages. It also is a different audience than Facebook or Twitter, which is more for friends and family. With this, you can go straight to what you're trying to talk about, and so we're going to take a look at that right now at QuickTopic. All you have to do is click on the link that I have provided, and I already have a topic for you on web-based instruction, and I asked everyone watching this video here, tell me what type of web-based instruction that you've used, or any that you would like to use, and let's continue our discussion there. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns about this type of web-based instruction that we've talked about today, send me an email to tmcrow@uark.edu. Thank you for your time.